Imagine waking up to a sky that's no longer blue, but a deep, ash-filled gray. The ground shakes, alarms blare, and you realize, this isn't just another earthquake. Experts have warned us for years about the potential for a volcanic eruption so massive, it could change life as we know it. Let's talk about the worst eruption in history. Back in 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted with such force, it blasted over 36 cubic miles of rock, ash, and gas into the sky. The explosion was heard more than 1,000 miles away. The aftermath? Darkness covered the land, temperatures dropped, and crops failed around the world. Some even called 1816 the year without a summer. But what if something like that happened today? Experts say supervolcanoes, like the one beneath Yellowstone, have the power to unleash devastation on a scale we can barely imagine. We're talking about ash clouds blocking out the sun, airports shutting down, and millions of people forced to evacuate. The global food supply could take a massive hit, and the weather might not recover for years. So, are we prepared? Scientists closely monitor volcanic activity using satellite images, sensors, and gas detectors to spot warning signs. But even with all our technology, predicting the exact time and size of an eruption is still nearly impossible. The best thing we can do is stay informed, follow safety instructions, and respect nature's immense power. History shows us that volcanic eruptions don't just shape landscapes, they shape entire civilizations. The next big eruption might not come tomorrow or even this century, but the experts agree, it's not a matter of if, but when. So are you ready for the unexpected? Stay curious, stay prepared, and keep looking up because nature always has the final say. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our incredible world.